All right, so we got the pad set. Now I got to go inside, attach the return flex, because on this job we have individual returns in each room, but the main return duct goes up through a chase and then into the attic, and then it drops down to each room. Anyhow, I got to connect that, bring it down in the crawl space. We got to extend the supply off the main trunk, get the duct coming out, and then we'll be able to set this unit and go from there. All right, I'm going to attempt to set this by myself because my helper's not here. So, yeah, let's do it. So the unit's set, we got the ducts connected. I got the new shroud measured up. We're gonna get that custom made. I want to do a little makeshift shroud for now for the weekend, and we'll come back. And all we have left is gonna have to wire this thing up, and we should be good for now. So we're back with the hood. We're gonna get that installed now. So we got the flashing installed, everything's good there. We got our low voltage wire coming out the side of the flashing. We're gonna do the electrical later. We'll do all that. But for now, we've got the shroud installed and sealed up, weather tight.